Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taryn Cole and we are going to get into an unboxing today. I'm really excited for this unboxing, mainly because I've had my eye on this bag for like a really long time. And I was really in the market for a new work bag. Not really finding anything that like really spoke to me that I really loved. I saw a product from YSL that I really liked. I'll put it here. One of the reasons why I didn't decide to go with this bag is because number one, it's like 100% lambskin, which is impressive from a fashion standpoint, absolutely. But like for a travel and work bag, yeah, you're like asking for trouble. So I was like, no, not so much. Then around Christmas time, my cousin was asking me to help him. Hey, like I need to find a present for my wife. My wife really wants a bag. I know you know bags, I know you know fashion. So like hook me up, cuz. So I was like, okay. So I started looking for something for his wife, and I stumbled across this beauty. Like, and what I love about it is it has so many unique functions and features that I saw in the store. I'll link them, but we're gonna really get into it. So I'm not gonna waste any more time. Let's get into this unboxing. Of course, the huge orange box, which is obviously so fabulous. Of course, gonna get out of here. And it's a bigger bag, so it's gorgeous. I've always loved Louis Vuitton's packaging. It's just always been like so like top tier for me. Like absolutely top tier for me. Like I just love it. Love it. So we have it here. Gonna go ahead and undo the ribbon, of course. And then of course we open her up. I'm sure you're seeing the giant dust bag. I can't see anything because yeah, obviously I'm turned around. So yeah, this is a little sneak preview of what I got. And then we open her up, and of course now you guys know I decided on the OnTheGo Voyage Originally I thought this bag was going to be too big for me, or it's going to be way too big, but I actually really like the size because it functions so well, I think, as a travel and a work bag. Like, of course you have the giant monogram. You have the colors reversed on the back. The feature that sold me on this bag was this, you guys. Like, I could literally take this and slide this on one of my suitcases, like going to the airport, and it's stuck. It's there, and it's magnetic. Like, I didn't even know that was there. Plus, you have all types of really cool hidden pockets. Of course, there's no zip closure here, but I hardly ever like turn my bags over. So you have like a large amount of space here on the inside. I have an extra dust bag here, it looks like. And yeah, lots of space, guys. Lots of space. If you want to see what, and then you also have a nice little cute shoulder strap, and it can be tightened up, or it can be worn on the shoulder like so. I think that is like great, fabulous, absolutely. Let me stand off, making too much noise. Absolutely. So, and then you also have an internal zip pocket here. Plenty of space, guys. Plenty of space, like so much space. So much space. You even have a cell phone pocket holder, so here's my phone. Boom, it goes right in there. Passport, whatever. I have my work laptop here. I kind of want to see if it fits. So I did like a dummy test with my agenda book. So this is like my professional agenda I take to my meetings and things like that. So this is about the same size as my laptop. So I took that and I slid it in this little compartment, and it goes like a glove, like beautiful. The top handles, the reverse on the top handles, absolutely gorgeous. Like this is such like a business bag. I love it. I'm taking my agenda out, obviously. This laptop is so heavy. I don't know why they gave us these, but they did. And boom, wow. Fits perfectly, didn't have to force it. Beautiful, fits right there. Then I could put my agenda in here. That fits fine, like everything fits, and this can go right on my carry-on. Like I love it. I love this bag. I'm definitely glad I went with it over the YSL, simply because, and it's coated canvas. Like coated canvas wipes clean. It's just like gorgeous print. If you really want to look at it. I think this was so smart of Louis Vuitton. Vuitton has always like positioned themselves as a company that has a sense of wonder with fashion and adventure. But I think that they really, as of recently, been listening to their customers and coming out with like some really cool features. So I guess my SA just gave me a extra vest bag. Or this is actually kind of like you can use it to stuff it so that it doesn't kind of fall over. Like you see my keep balls up there, so if you don't keep them kind of full, they fall over a little bit. So that may be the thing, but I think this was extremely smart for Louis Vuitton. And I love this little like secret pocket on the back, and this comes off. So this is completely removable. Which again, I absolutely love. I think this is an excellent feature. And that's really cool. And it has like the micro print there. Really cool. So that can be taken off as well. And it's kind of like, it blends in so well with the fleur print. You can't even see that it's there unless you put it back. I think it's awesome. This is my new bag. I'm not sure where I'm going to put her on my shelf in my collection, but I'm sure I'll find space. This is my first video, you guys. I'm kind of trying to get into this, so like, follow, subscribe, check me out, and I'll see you guys for the next unboxing. So I know a lot of people have asked me like, oh, was I able to secure anything from Murakami? Yes, so my bando came, but my bag is not here yet. It's supposed to be here in March, so stay tuned for that. But as of right now, I absolutely love this bag. I hope you guys really enjoyed the unboxing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.